Today we'll be looking at this 1956 Pontiac Star Chief Regency ambulance. This is a Regency Combination ambulance and hearse built on a 1956 Pontiac Star Chief commercial chassis by Superior Coach Company of Kosciusko, Mississippi. Reportedly, only 292 Regency combinations were made. Under the hood is a strong 317 cubic inch Pontiac Strato Streak V8 engine mated to a smooth 4-speed Hydra-Matic transmission. It's equipped with power steering to make moving around this massive machine much easier. Up top is a Federal Beacon ray roof signal, and it's joined by 2 red flashers built into the front bumper. The Guide brand sealed spotlight is also in working condition and shines brightly. Speaking of lighting, the hood ornament light on the Pontiacs of this era is also in good working order, and this model features an under-the-hood reel-up emergency light. Inside you'll find a comfortable gray vinyl interior with front bench seat and rear folding attendant seat. Beneath the dash are the light and siren controls, as well as a vintage Motorola Motrac 2-way radio. In the rear section, you'll find a vintage flexible ceiling lamp, a classic American LaFrance fire extinguisher, the covered spare tire, a gurney, deep red crushed pan curtains, plenty of compartments, and 2 Johnson+Johnson general first aid kits. Superior also built Cadillac conversions, but the Pontiac was the true workhorse for any situation, and it did it with style. This Regency underwent a wonderful detailed restoration and was well cared for. This classic American vehicle is truly an amazing piece of automotive history that is sure to capture the attention of anyone who sees it. Here we can take a better look at the reel-up emergency light under the hood. Now let's listen to that 317 V8. here you'll see how meticulous the documentation of this restoration truly was.